Hi everybody, in this video we are looking at the 8th example and a playlist of videos that are covering a pre-calculus final exam review. In this question we are asked to rank these in order from smallest to largest using just your brain, no calculator. So if you're being asked to do this, then you must be able to do this, right? So let's get into it right here. Okay, 6 to what power equals 37? Well, I know 6 to the 2. That's how you read that as a question, right? 6 to what power is 37, and whatever you get for the answer is what it's equal to. I know it's bigger than 2 because 6 to the 2 is 36, so I'm going to call this 2.1. That's what that says in my handwriting. All right, what about this guy over here? Log of 99 and no base is written. We know that that is invisible 10. 10 to what power is 99? Well, I know 10 to the 2 is 100. So this is going to be a little bit less than 2. I'm going to call this 1.9. And really, I guess, you know, if we're going to be fancy schmancy and proper about this, we should be using our little squiggly equal for approximation, right? Okay, ln of e to the 2. ln, we should know, is log base e, the natural log of e to the 2. Now, you could think of this in one of two ways. You could either think of this as e to what power equals e to the 2. And in that case, we get an answer of 2. Exactly. Another way we could think of it is that the 2 comes out front, and then you have log base e of e. So the 2 comes out front, power property, log base e of e equals 1, and again, you're left with 2. So when push comes to shove, at the end of the day, doesn't matter how you do it, okay? What rewatch that part if you need to. I don't need the squiggly equal, actually. This is, in fact, equal to 2. So far, I can list these in order. Oh, I didn't circle that the same way. I can list these in order from least to greatest for sure. And then last but not least, we have this guy over here. 40 to what power is 39? Well, 40 to the first power is 40. So this is going to be a little bit less than 1. So I'm going to approximate and call this 0.9. So what are these in order from least to greatest? We have log base 40 of 39. After that, we have log of 99. After that, we have log base 6 of 37. And last, nope, I lied. Hello. Okay, then we have ln e to squared. Last, the largest, most humongous of these all, log base 6 of 37. So if I put some inequalities, that is the least, like this. You could put them in order like that if you'd like, and there you go. That's how you do this without a calculator. Hopefully that sticks to all of your brains. If you love it and you want to share that love, thumbs up. If not, sad, scared, and confused, thumbs down. But I hope you feel better about that one. Questions, comments, concerns, feedback, and requests can go in the comment section. Check the description box for links to videos that are also on this topic, or go to the thumbnail on the screen at the end of this video for the playlist on all final exam review for pre-calculus. And that's it for now. Adios.